Creamy mama. What's written on the intake? This is getting risky. So the starter is missing a bolt.
It looks like you're refueling the woods.
So the fuel pump's bad and the starter needs a new bolt. Welcome back to 10 Mil Socket Garage. On this episode we have Jerry. No, the thing behind it. It's something, isn't it?
Wheels.
It's got wheels. It's got more wheels in the back.
It does have a motor.
I know you know what it does have is wasps. Never seen a badge like that before. B is here. What's up? How you doing, B? Let's see if it has an edge. B is this a wasp nest in there?
Oh damn!
Oh, creamy mama. Get the lighter. Holy shit, the one nasali. There you go. We got it open. Kill. B, please tell me if it's 5.8 or 5.0. What's written on the intake? 5.8? Yes. We got a 5.8. It's unmolested but dirty. There's still a wasp in there. What am I doing?
Your best. Okay, over here though.
Over here?
Let me back up. I'll back it up. This is getting risky. Bastante.
Passa de hood.
Does it?
I don't know. It's hard to do with a belt.
Oh, stuff's jiggling, that's for sure.
Okay, let's check out the fire test.
It doesn't catch fire right away, so that's good, right?
It doesn't spark, so that means it's completely dead or it's good. No, better than that thing. Okay, let's see. See, we turn the key on, what happens? Oh, the stuff moving. Move the wires about on the battery. I don't have any power anymore.
It goes up and that's what we do.
Okay, so the starter is not grabbing. You're gonna see what's going on down here. So the starter is missing a bolt. Yeah. Let me. I'm gonna put some gasoline in it.
Squirt.
That's way too much. So when it starts a fire, we sure it burns down. Yeah. Give it. I don't believe it's gonna start that. Ready? Yeah. What the fuck just happened? You barely touched the key. That's way too much. Give it there. Did we check the oil level? Awesome, that's my man. The bed is not bolted it down.
Sweet.
It's just held up by a pair of blocks.
Nice.
Yep. So it's perfectly for me. I hear it. I hear it. I hear something, but maybe it's empty and stuff.
Wanna fill it?
Yeah. Thank God I have old jerry cans at home.
It looks like you're refueling the woods.
Let's check the head gasket out. John's getting some fuel for me in it. Okay. I want to let it idle up more I can. So the fuel pump's bad and the starter needs a new bolt. One bolt is broken into the transmission, but starts and revs up. Where's the Where's the two-stroke into? Okay, that's enough motorcycle juice. Hey, what I'm about seeing? Okay, Jerry, start it up. Op het top af 12 was je het gas met verkeerde. Good. Oh, male che muri. Dale. Scusa, devi accostare, dai. Okay, então. I think the radiator cap is bad. You know what happened?
It's okay.
Yeah, because they have an automatic starter on this shit. It's manual. They have an automatic starter with a longer nose. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna put a stupid spacer on it.
That'll fix it.
It didn't.
Well.
Maybe it did for a short while. That's why it broke the bolt.
Well, there you go. What's the next move?
Thinking, see if I'm gonna buy it or not.
Think about it. How much are you asking for shit?
Let me see for sure.
200.
So there you have it. It's a 1995 F-350 with a 5.85 speed that works. And yeah, I want to know what you guys think. Should I buy it? Should I don't want a race truck. I just want a work truck, a daily driver, a have fun truck, whatever truck.